Hello and welcome to my channel Make Money Online with RJ. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the affiliate marketing, and in this videos I will introduce you partner with Anthony program, and how the person, those they don't want to spend a lot of money and still they want to learn about the partner with affiliate marketing. So might be partner with Anthony because he is the millionaire. I mean, I will show you step by step everything, but be with me. And guys, affiliate marketing, it will work when you work. All right, this is my $10,000. You can see that the plaque from different company, you know. But I will show you how to do affiliate marketing and what the partner with Anthony he is going to recommend you and what you are going to get it in this full course. So be with me, please watch this videos, don't miss it. And end of this videos I have some bonus for you, so please don't miss that bonus. All right, so let's see. All right, so as you can see my screen, the partner with Anthony review, and you can see a 2020 scammer legit partnership. You can go just like I will put the link down below so you can grab it, but let me explain you what is there. So the partner with Anthony, this is the Anthony Morrison, and you gonna learn about him also down there. Let me show you also. So uh, see the partner with Anthony, a scam by legit. So partner with Anthony, product name is partner with Anthony, and affiliate marketing and owner is Anthony Morrison, and it's $7 a monthly and 97 one time plus hundreds of upgrades, tool and traffic. So once you go to the education, I can show you this is the real. Once you buy this is, you will see the real, like real pictures, like this is what he has. This is partner with Anthony is like a literally $97, and you can create a lot of things, and this is all his bonus. What available courses, email domination, inbox, everything is here. And your software, this is all the ones you buy $7 code, you will see this page. So and 100 plus upgrade tools, money back guarantee, 30 days you buy it, and if you don't like it, 30 days your money it will be back. So partner with Anthony marketing system, where you can get a chance to promote the PWA via email marketing. But that's a good thing, the partner Anthony, and you can get your money back in 30 days. So who is Anthony Morrison? So Anthony Morrison is the owner and creator of partner with Anthony system. And if you have been swimming around make money online water of some time, the chances Anthony Morrison is the proclaimed guru and online marketing specialist. The truth is Anthony Morrison is a legitimate guru, meaning he knows how online marketing works. He has been around for over decades, and in the meantime managed to become an expert and author. So Anthony Morrison, he is you can follow him on YouTube also, and he has all the course, digital marketing, profit booster, and this is the Anthony Morrison. And if you want to, just you have to, once you log in Anthony Morrison the website, like the real page, then you will see that you have to pay $7 or $97 for lifetime, and you can promote this upsell. And so this is the $7, and you can buy this one. And they have a lot of like a, you know offered like a tons of offer, like a digital marketing mastermind 69 a year, M insider newsletter, this one, and click funnels builder 9972. So Fill all the make partners with Anthony work, you'll have purchased tools such as ClickFunnels. So the ClickFunnels is also most of the guys, if you are here, if you don't know anything, this is the software ClickFunnels I'm using also. So this is the software where you can build your funnels and everything, so suppose that you just look for the ClickFunnels here. So yeah, ClickFunnels. This is a software a lot of people they promote, and they make tons of money also. But this is really good tool. I use personally myself, so there's no doubt. And why is, I don't know why it's going dashboard, but this is dashboard looks like that. So build directs and link tracking software. This is what he is going to suggest you to buy inside the course. And the get response I am using also get response. You can see that I have on the get response I am using also. So this is the best. And Aweber is like a free till 500 subscriber. So this is what you're gonna see that. And $7. And who is the partner with Anthony for, how does partner work, this is all the crazy things. So this is the session look like that. So once you bought it, the session look like that. So first you purchase it, and then they have the 30 session in $97 about the affiliate marketing. So I think this is the best deal, because I never seen this much cheap anything you know so you can go through, and it's called free affiliate marketing business.com, partner with Anthony, and look for that people they are doing that. And then I will show you the real. So this is what, and then what you have to do, this is what I purchased it myself. So once I click it here, it will take to me partner with Anthony access now. Okay, so let me access now. All right, so this is my dashboard. 73% I already personally uh, completed this course, and you'll see that all they have the 30 module about the session, like each and step by step, like a first session. He has welcome to the first and the four videos and mark complete, and it will take you second session. And after second session you will see that the momentum is all the mindset thing, about the success. And people they love it, they have a lot of comment and everything, you can comment it here also. And the third session you are going to what is affiliate marketing and all. So he is going to uh, teach you about all the affiliate marketing. If you guys are interested, it's $7 a month and $97 for lifetime. This I paid the $97 for, this is all the lifetime. And this is I didn't complete it because access not you gone so far. So I think I completed till people, I think 21 or something. You are not average, know your numbers, download your, this is all you are going to get it. So yeah, I mean, this is what. And you can literally promote it also, like commissions. And you can literally go to the PWA, and you can literally promote this course. If you like it, you purchase it. If you like it, you can promote it. And a lot of people they are most uh, like they don't want to learn, they don't want to watch videos. See, I told you in the beginning, affiliate marketing, it will work when you work. All right, so I mean, it's working for me, it will work for you guys. Just just go through this training. But the I did the all the training, they don't have that much, like you have to buy a lot of things. So I partner with him, but you know I didn't like it personally. So I mean, I partner with the Jonathan Montoya. uh, I think Freedom Breakthrough, yeah, it's a Freedom Breakthrough. Freedom Breakthrough. So I did the Freedom Breakthrough, not the affiliate, the Blueprint Academy membership. Yeah, so go. All right, it's a little bit slow. I don't know what's happening here, but I partner with Jonathan Montoya, and I will keep the link down below so you guys have access. So in 3 days business, so the partner with Anthony and the Jonathan Montoya, this is the new like a 2 years partner with Anthony is coming for a long time. But the thing is that the partner with this is like literally you are going to learn everything, about the YouTube, about the TikTok, about the how the click funnels work and how the email marketing works. And you are going to um, learn about like all the people, free traffic with TikTok, YouTube, email marketing. This is all the new stuff. The Anthony market is like a little bit old. He knows that how to do that. He is the millennial, and but the thing is that this is the new version of affiliate marketing and how to make money online, how to create the website, how to do with the Facebook, how to high ticket sell. The Daniel, he's our good friend, and he is doing that very good. So in this course, it's really good course, you know and once if you really want to go through um, this training, I will keep the link down below. So I have the bonus for you guys. If you guys want to take the action about the 3 days business, this challenge, so I have um, completely the bonus page for you guys. So let me show you my bonus page and what you are going to get it. So this is my bonus page, so not this one, sorry, just give me 1 second, and I will. All right, so if you guys want to take the action, I will keep the link, both of them, partner with Anthony or Super, but I will highly recommend you this one. So what you are going, Jonathan Montoya, he is going to teach you. Daniel Chow, he is like a crushing it. Joshua Ang, if this is all, and he is already make the $1 million, and all they are the 6 7 8 figures, they are here, they are going to teach you. I already showed you in the. So what he is offering all the like a 3 day challenge and YouTube ad breakthrough, 75% commission for light. I don't think so anybody gives more than 50%, and he is giving 75% commission for life. I mean, literally he is giving his business to us, like suppose that I create everything and I'm taking 25% and 75% I'm giving someone else, literally my business. So you are not going to get it, and this is the um, so now let me sweeten the deal. So this is, if you want to go through, this will be my personal support for you guys for the life, and and you can see that my this is the $10,000 I commission. I made it with a different company, and I make a lot of money with this one also. But my personal support will be there, and one-on-one coaching about, I will give you my strategy, how I did this all the like a 30 to $40,000 in 6 to 7 months, how I made it. So I will give you 90 minutes call about making everything, like I will explain you. um, and the weekly group call, coaching call will be there, and whoever's I have a lot of students, they are crossing it, and I just give them weekly coaching call and access to the VVIP chat. So whenever you guys need support, like it will be on the messenger, and then whenever you guys stuck or anything, you can text me, and this will be the group where we will discuss everything. I will give you guys the closing script and 7 questions to filter your leads. So suppose that you are doing affiliate marketing, and the people They are coming to you, but you don't know how to talk, what to talk, right? I mean, you start with conversation and you spend your 1 hour, 2 hours, but you did not identify he's going to buy or not, because end of the matter is like somebody needs to buy, right? So we are going to give you closing a script and to filter your leads, and this is the Spencer Mecham. He is also like a 8-figure affiliate marketer. So it's like a 30 days action plan to become a super affiliate by Spencer Mecham. You're gonna get it. Its value is $97. You are going to get it also. It's my all the bonus, and this is the free trial of all messenger pro 90 days. The value is right now $67 going on, and you're not going to get anywhere. Like you have to pay $67. Nobody is offering, so I'm offering for you guys, um, um, for 90 days, like a 3 months literally free for you guys. And the 108 proven splits by Russell Brunson, this is the book, and I'm going to give it to you guys also. Super cool bonus, 100 days affiliate bootcamp by top affiliates. The top affiliate, whoever is doing what, you will see that in the bootcamp, and you are going to apply the strategy and learn from the big guys. Those they are making a millions of dollars and billions of dollars with that. And he's the Doug, and here's the affiliate launch bonus number 10. What you're going to affiliate launch mastery course by Doug Bogdan. This is like a literally crazy offer, no brainer. And he is the 2cc 2 comma club winner, and he make millions of dollars. You are going to learn with him also. And the physical copy of the trilogy secrets book, this all three books you are going to get it. And this books, it will change your life too. And here you go, super cool bonus is beat messenger conversation and closing by Tanner Chadester, and he is also making a millions of dollar. And the over my value is $7,371 is totally value, but everything you'll get it today when you sign up for the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. you know so how much you're gonna get Freedom Breakthrough this course and everything, you know and value for Jonathan Monte 11,000, and mine will be, it's like only this all the you'll bonus you'll get in the $1,497. That's it. Save 16,000. Just jump on all the bonus call and just go from there, and try to unmove money and get it, so you can get this slides also. You can make it like a more than $1,000. And you can, if you want to watch any testimonial, you can go ahead and watch it, like a people what they are talking about me. All right, so I think this is a great opportunity, and I will keep the link down below, this one and that one, and you just go ahead, choose it, and start your affiliate marketing business, and yeah. So if you know me, then like I mean, I literally personally I help a lot of people about the affiliate marketing, and I will keep my Facebook Messenger where you can connect with me, talk to me, and whenever you need me, I will be there. So this is my limited offer, limited time, because see, I have the full-time job also, so this is all I'm giving to you guys, and completely free, because you are I know, I mean, people, I want to change your life, because this affiliate marketing already changed my life, so I want to change your life, guys. So be serious, contact with me, let's cross it together. In this video, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. And if you like my videos, please uh, like my videos, and then subscribe my videos also. All right, thank you.